I never get tired of that sound. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's another lazy Saturday special.
It is. So we thought we'd do similar to the last one, or actually it's identical to the last one.
Yeah.
We've got some pre-decimal silver, which is, this stuff is 50%. So meaning that each coin has 50% silver in it, and I think it's 50% copper.
Yep.
So these will all be from 1946 to 1965.
Now when we say pre-decimal for the internationals out there, even though they might not be able to grab it, but you never know, they could. Yeah. But what are we talking about?
So in 66 we went from pounds, shillings and pence to decimal currency.
Yep.
So this is called pre-decimal for obvious reasons.
Yep.
So it's much like your constitutional silver overseas or your junk silver.
Yep.
Those types of things.
Yep.
This is 50% stuff.
Yep.
So
and that's anywhere from the dates of 1946 to 1965. Yeah.
Correct.
Cool.
So, and there's all sorts in there. There's threepence, there's be sixpence, there'll be florins, probably shillings in there.
But we're not selling them individually, obviously.
Absolutely not. So this is a special done at spot price. So that's right, spot price for these. So if you look on the website, you'll see them listed there in 100 gram lots. So if you buy one, you'll get 100 grams of silver, which means you'll actually get 200 grams of coins.
Yeah. But the actual silver weight is 100 grams of silver. It's 100 grams.
There it is.
Very cool.
So, yeah, standard sort of stuff. We kind of say, take advantage of it, but don't buy the whole lot. Fair play policy and all that sort of stuff. Just grab a few for yourself and leave a few for everyone else if you can.
Yep.
That would be excellent.
And how much? It's roughly about 8 kilos of weight there, so it's about roughly 4 kilos of actual silver weight there. Yeah. I think something like that.
Something around those sort of lines. Yep. So we'll list about 40 of them. And they're all in 100 gram lots, like I said.
Cool. All right, that's a lazy Saturday. I hope you see this early.
Gotta do it again.
I say it every time, but it's just very Scrooge McDuck.
It is very Scrooge McDuck, and there's all sorts in there. You'll find there's some of the fancy florins. I found one before in there and threw it back in. We're not picking out individuals or anything. It will literally be we get a bag and we scoop it in.
100 grams,
yeah,
exactly.
So you get what you get, and it could be all sorts of things. And you never know, you may jag the occasional one that's actually pre-46, which will be 92.5% silver rather than 50%, so you'll actually win out if you get any of those.
You may get lucky.
But I certainly am not going through checking each one for their date, which is why we sell them at 50%ers, because we know we're safe and you're always going to get more rather than less than what you pay for.
That's right. So spot price for Australian junk silver, if you want to call it pre-decimal. That's it, of course. These are going to sell out pretty quick, but again,
they usually do.
Share the love. Share the love around. And like, share, subscribe. That's how you also share the love. With Bullion Now, with that beautiful smiling face. Look at that guy. That's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.